hold on to your crypto bags because this week is packed with explosive news that could reshape the landscape of the digital asset world. From Bitcoin's stable price movements and Michael Saylor's bullish predictions to major moves by global giants like Google, Sony, and Russia, the crypto industry is buzzing with developments. We'll explore the latest price action, potential new revenue streams for Bitcoin miners, legal battles, international regulatory shifts, and groundbreaking projects. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the game, you won't want to miss these insights that could influence your next move in the crypto market. Welcome back to Chainmind, your go-to source for everything crypto. I'm here to break down the biggest stories from the past week, helping you stay ahead of the curve in the fast-paced world of digital assets. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with Bitcoin. This week, Bitcoin isn't riding the roller coaster, it's in a consolidation phase, trading steadily with minor dips and recoveries. On Sunday, it was around $60,000, dipped slightly to $57,787 on Monday, and is now back up, trading around $62,000. While this might seem like just another week in crypto, it's a crucial period of stability amidst broader market movements. But what's really catching everyone's attention is Michael Saylor's bold prediction. Saylor, who's become one of Bitcoin's biggest advocates, predicts that Bitcoin could reach $350,000 in 2024. His reasoning, the growing institutional interest in Bitcoin combined with its limited supply, makes for a potent mix that could drive the price to new heights. MicroStrategy, led by Saylor, now holds 174,530 Bitcoins, acquired at an average of $30,252. This strategy has already generated over $2 billion in profit, highlighting the potential gains as institutional interest continues to grow. Switching gears to Ethereum and Solana, both cryptocurrencies have shown relatively stable price movements this week. Ethereum has traded sideways between $2,500 and $2,700 despite continuous inflows from ETH ETFs. Similarly, Solana's price has remained stable, hovering between $138 and $148. This stability is crucial for both networks as they continue to build out their ecosystems and attract new users. Now let's talk about Bitcoin miners. According to Vitalik, they could see a $13.9 billion boost in yearly revenue by shifting 20% of their energy capacity to AI and high-performance computing sectors. This move could help miners improve their bad balance sheets, which are often burdened by debt and excessive executive compensation. With AI companies in dire need of energy and Bitcoin miners having an abundance, this could be a win-win situation, potentially stabilizing the mining sector while also supporting the growth of AI technologies. Speaking of challenges, Google is facing a lawsuit after a Florida woman had $5 million in crypto stolen through a malicious app downloaded from the Google Play Store. This case raises serious questions about the security of platforms that host cryptocurrency apps and highlights the ongoing risks in the digital asset space. For crypto users, this is a stark reminder of the importance of security and due diligence when dealing with digital assets. Shifting our focus to Turkey, the country is becoming a hotbed for crypto activity. Major players like Coinbase and KuCoin are rushing to secure licenses following recent regulatory updates. Turkey's rapid growth as the fourth largest crypto market globally indicates a strong commitment to creating a secure and regulated environment for digital assets. This surge in licensing applications is a positive sign for the industry, suggesting that we might see more institutional adoption in the near future. Back to Bitcoin, despite a 21% drop from its all-time high, about 75% of Bitcoin has been held in wallets for over 6 months. This holding pattern reduces the available supply, which could lead to price appreciation as demand increases. However, with over 80% of short-term holders currently underwater, there's a risk of panic selling, which could trigger further price drops. It's a classic case of long-term conviction versus short-term fear. In Ethereum news, co-founder Vitalik Buterin moved 400 ETH worth $1.05 million to a privacy-focused mixer so-called railgun. This isn't the first time Buterin has done this. He's a known advocate for privacy tools. His actions continue to draw attention, especially as the ETH price hovers around $2,600. While the reasons behind these moves remain unclear, they certainly spark discussions about privacy in the crypto world. Over in the UAE, Bank has partnered with Bitpanda to launch a digital asset management platform. This move underscores the growing acceptance of digital assets in the region and the increasing demand for secure regulated platforms. With the UAE already making strides in digital innovation, this partnership could further position the country as a leader in the global crypto market. Shifting gears, let's talk about hype in Italy and the regulatory environment. Italy's hype, previously owned by one of the oldest Italian banks, Michael Saylor, is now offering Bitcoin trading services directly through its mobile platform. This move aligns with a broader trend of institutional adoption we're seeing worldwide. Following Italy, Ghana's central bank is also making waves by proposing new regulations for virtual assets. These regulations aim to protect consumers and boost financial inclusion, showing that even regions like West Africa are recognizing the importance of a regulated crypto ecosystem. At the same time, Russia is making a significant geopolitical move by planning to launch two state-linked cryptocurrency exchanges. These exchanges will be crucial for integrating digital payments for trade settlements, particularly in the face of US sanctions. Additionally, Russia is working on a new stablecoin linked to the Chinese yuan, which could dramatically shift global economic dynamics if it allows Russia to bypass the US dollar in international trade. This development could have profound implications not just for the crypto market, but for the global financial system as a whole. Next, we turn our attention to some significant Bitcoin movements and ongoing adoption efforts. Mt. Gox has shifted 13,265 Bitcoin worth around $784 million, marking the first major move in 3 weeks. With Mt. Gox still holding over 46,000 Bitcoin, these movements continue to influence market sentiment. On the other hand, El Salvador is doubling down on its Bitcoin strategy. The country has been buying 1 Bitcoin daily since March 16th, bringing its total to 162 additional Bitcoins. This strategy is part of President Nayib Bukele's broader vision of positioning Bitcoin as a cornerstone of national economic innovation. Additionally, El Salvador plans to provide Bitcoin certification to 80,000 civil servants and launch Bitcoin courses in public schools. These efforts are solidifying El Salvador's role as a pioneer in national Bitcoin adoption, potentially setting a precedent for other nations. As we approach the 2024 US elections, the influence of the crypto industry is becoming increasingly apparent. According to Watchdog Group, public citizen, crypto companies, executives, and investors have spent an unprecedented $119 million this election cycle to influence outcomes. This level of spending puts crypto just behind the fossil fuel industry in terms of political influence since 2010. The stakes are high, with Republican nominee Donald Trump making pro-crypto statements and Democratic nominee Kamala Harris being closely watched for any signs of a policy shift. The outcome of these elections could have significant implications for the crypto industry, with potential changes to regulations and policies that could either support or hinder crypto growth in the US. In other industry news, Grayscale has launched the Grayscale Avalanche Trust, giving investors exposure to the AVAX token, which powers the Avalanche platform. This move follows a surge in interest in cryptocurrency-linked ETFs and reinforces Grayscale's commitment to innovation in the crypto space. This week, AVAX has seen a strong bullish movement, increasing by around 30%, making it one of the standout performers in the market. Meanwhile, Sony is making headlines with the announcement of its Ethereum Layer 2 blockchain project, Sonium, developed in partnership with Startle Labs. This blockchain aims to bring scalability and user-friendliness to mainstream applications across entertainment, gaming, and finance. Sony's venture into blockchain is a significant step toward integrating Web3 technologies with its existing global infrastructure, potentially accelerating the mainstream adoption of blockchain technology. That wraps up this week's episode of Chainmind. The crypto industry is buzzing with activity, from price movements and institutional predictions to legal battles and international developments. As always, stay informed, stay secure, and keep an eye on the horizon for the next big move in the world of digital assets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep your mind on the chain.